Representational picture researchers have revealed that people with diabetes and eye disease have a 5-fold increased risk of requiring intubation when hospitalized with COVID-19. The study, published in the journal Diabetes Research and Clinical Practice, identified for the first time the risk associated with diabetic retinopathy and COVID-19. Also read, Ready to work with Center for Speedy Vaccination, West Bengal CM Mamata Banerjee. This is the first time that retinopathy has been linked to severe COVID-19 in people with diabetes, said study author Antonella Costello from the King's College London in the UK. Also read, Maharashtra records 5,439 COVID-19 cases in 24 hours, state says no plan to impose lockdown. Retinopathy is a marker of damage to the blood vessels and our results suggest that such pre-existing damage to blood vessels may result in a more severe COVID-19 infection requiring intensive C. Also read, Psychic who predicted COVID-19 pandemic and Trump's defeat now tells you for how long pandemic will last. The study investigated 187 people with diabetes, 179 with type 2 diabetes and 8 with type 1 diabetes, hospitalized with COVID-19. Diabetic retinopathy was reported in 37.36% of patients, the majority with background retinopathy. Of the 187 patients hospitalized with severe COVID-19, 26% were intubated and 45% of these patients had retinopathy. Retinopathy was associated with a 5-fold increased risk for intubation. In the cohort, 32% of patients died and no association was observed between retinopathy and mortality. According to the researchers, there is increasing evidence that there is significant damage to the blood vessels in the lung and other organs in patients hospitalized with severe COVID-19. People with diabetes are at high risk of vascular complications affecting the large and small blood vessels. We hypothesize that the presence of diabetes-related vascular disease such as retinopathy may result in greater vulnerability and susceptibility to respiratory failure in severe COVID-19, study author Janaka Karaliade. The researchers noted that further studies are required to investigate the possible mechanisms that explain the links between markers and manifestations of diabetic vascular disease such as retinopathy and severe COVID-19. For breaking news and live news updates, like us on Facebook or follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Read more on latest lifestyle news on India.com. Topics: Coronavirus, COVID-19, diabetes, eye disease, health. Publish date, November 24, 2024, 10 p.m. IST. Please support us to grow my channel by subscribing and pressing the bell icon for future interesting lifestyle videos.